Have you ever wondered where to put your hard-earned money to grow beyond your TFSAs and RRSPs? Are you maximizing your investment potential, or are taxes silently eroding your returns? This isn't about the basics. We're diving deep into the often overlooked world of taxable investment accounts and how they stack up against a popular platform like Wealthsimple. For many Canadians, the investing journey begins and often ends with registered accounts like the TFSA, Tax-Free Savings Account, and RRSP, Registered Retirement Savings Plan. And rightly so. They offer incredible tax advantages, tax-free growth and withdrawals for TFSAs, and tax-deferred growth with a tax deduction on contributions for RRSPs. They are the cornerstones of a smart financial plan. But what happens when you've maxed them out? What if you have more money to invest, or your financial goals don't neatly fit into the structure of a registered account? That's where taxable accounts, also known as non-registered accounts, come into play. But here's the thing, taxable account isn't a single, simple entity. It's a broad category. It could be a basic brokerage account where you pick individual stocks, a mutual fund account with a traditional bank, or even a high-interest savings account. The key differentiator is that any income earned within these accounts, be it interest, dividends, or capital gains, is subject to taxation in the year it's earned or realized. This is a stark contrast to the tax-sheltered environment of TFSAs and RRSPs. Now, where does Wealthsimple fit into this picture? Wealthsimple, as many of you know, is a popular Canadian financial technology company offering a range of services from robo-advisory services, Wealthsimple Invest, to self-directed trading, Wealthsimple Trade, and even high-interest savings accounts, Wealthsimple Cash. They offer both registered and non-registered accounts. So, when we talk about Wealthsimple versus taxable accounts, we're essentially asking, is using Wealthsimple's non-registered options the best way to approach taxable investing? Or are there other types of taxable accounts and strategies that might be more beneficial for your specific needs? This isn't a simple either/or question. It's about understanding the nuances, the pros and cons of each, and how they can be used strategically to optimize your wealth growth. We're going to dissect everything, from the types of income generated in taxable accounts and how they're taxed, to the fees involved, the investment strategies you can employ, and ultimately, who benefits most from each approach. So, let's get started. First, let's lay out the landscape of taxable accounts. As mentioned, these are accounts where your investment income is subject to taxation. The most common types include cash accounts. These are your basic investment accounts where you hold cash, stocks, ETFs, and other securities. Any interest, dividends, or capital gains are taxed. Margin accounts. These allow you to borrow money against the value of your investments to purchase more securities. While they offer the potential for amplified returns, they also come with amplified risk and specific tax considerations on borrowed funds. High-interest savings accounts, HISAs. While often seen as just a place to store cash, HISAs are technically taxable accounts. The interest earned is fully taxable as income. Wealthsimple offers its own HISA through Wealthsimple Cash, which has competitive interest rates that vary based on your total assets with Wealthsimple. The biggest hurdle with taxable accounts is, well, the taxes. Unlike registered accounts, every dollar of income you earn is on the Canada Revenue Agency's radar. Interest income, this is fully taxable at your marginal income tax rate. This includes interest from bonds, GICs, and even your HISA. If you're in a high tax bracket, a significant portion of your interest earnings can disappear to taxes. Dividend income, for eligible Canadian dividends, you receive a dividend tax credit, which effectively reduces the amount of tax you pay. However, foreign dividends are generally taxed at your full marginal rate, sometimes with foreign withholding tax considerations depending on where the investment is held. Capital gains, this is where things get a bit more interesting. Only 50% of a capital gain is taxable. So, if you buy a stock for $100 and sell it for $150, your capital gain is $50, but only $25 of that is added to your income and taxed at your marginal rate. This 50% inclusion rate makes capital gains a more tax-efficient form of income in taxable accounts compared to interest. Capital losses, on the other hand, can be used to offset capital gains, and if your losses exceed your gains, you can carry them forward indefinitely or back 3 years to offset previous capital gains. This is a powerful tax optimization tool. Now, let's pivot to Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple offers various non-registered options that fall under the taxable account umbrella. Wealthsimple Invest, Managed Investing. This is their robo-advisor service. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and goals, and Wealthsimple builds and manages a diversified portfolio of ETFs for you. For non-registered accounts, this means all the interest, dividends, and capital gains generated by the ETFs are taxable to you annually. Wealthsimple handles the rebalancing and tax loss harvesting automatically, which can be a significant benefit in a taxable account. Their management fee ranges from 0.4% to 0.5% of your assets, depending on the account size. Wealthsimple Trade, self-directed investing. This platform allows you to buy and sell stocks and ETFs yourself, commission-free. You have full control over your investments, but you're also responsible for all the decision-making, including asset allocation, rebalancing, and tax considerations. Wealthsimple Trade has no commissions on Canadian and U.S.-listed stocks and ETFs. However, they do charge a 1.5% currency conversion fee when trading U.S. stocks if you don't have a USD account, which comes with a $10 per month fee for their basic core plan. Wealthsimple Cash, this is essentially their high-interest savings account. As mentioned, the interest earned is fully taxable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.